Snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. In 2025, millions of people are searching for guilt-free snacks that are tasty, filling, and actually good for you. From protein-packed bites to crunchy plant-based options, today we'll reveal the 10 most Googled healthy snacks in 2025, and trust me, number 1 is something you'll want to stock up on immediately. Welcome back to our channel. Healthy snacking is one of the biggest food trends of 2025. People want quick bites that satisfy cravings, fuel energy, and support wellness goals, all without the guilt. In this video, we'll go through 10 of the most searched healthy snacks in 2025, explain why they're trending, and share how you can add them to your lifestyle easily. 1. Protein bars, convenient and filling. Protein bars continue to top the charts in 2025. They're portable, filling, and come in countless flavors, perfect for busy lifestyles. Unlike candy bars, they're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats that keep you full longer. The biggest trend this year is plant-based protein bars made with pea protein, nuts, and seeds. They're not only healthier, but also eco-friendly. People love them because they curb cravings, support fitness goals, and provide steady energy throughout the day. Just make sure to choose bars with minimal sugar and natural ingredients. 2. Greek yogurt with berries, probiotic power snack. Greek yogurt combined with fresh berries is one of the most Googled snacks this year. Why? Because it's creamy, satisfying, and loaded with protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. The yogurt provides gut-friendly bacteria, while the berries add natural sweetness, vitamin C, and fiber. It's a perfect balance of taste and nutrition. In 2025, people are experimenting with yogurt parfait jars layered with granola, berries, and honey for a grab-and-go snack. It's healthy, customizable, and visually appealing for social media posts too. 3. Hummus with Veggie Sticks, plant-based favorite. Hummus remains a superstar snack in 2025. Made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and garlic, it's rich in plant protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Pairing hummus with crunchy veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, or bell peppers makes it a filling and nutrient-packed snack. It's low in calories, but high in flavor and nutrition. Trending now are flavored hummus varieties like beetroot, avocado, or spicy chili hummus, offering fun twists to a classic snack. 4. Mixed nuts and seeds, healthy crunch. A handful of mixed nuts and seeds is one of the simplest, healthiest snacks around. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are loaded with protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals. In 2025, nut and seed snack packs are trending as on-the-go solutions. People love them because they're shelf-stable, portable, and give a quick energy boost. The key is portion control. Too many can add extra calories, so stick to a small handful daily. 5. Rice cakes with nut butter. Light but satisfying rice cakes have made a huge comeback this year, especially when topped with nut butters like almond, peanut, or cashew butter. This snack is crunchy, creamy, and filling. It provides a mix of healthy carbs, fats, and protein. People are also adding banana slices, chia seeds, or dark chocolate drizzle for extra flavor and nutrition. In 2025, many rice cake packs are trending as guilt-free, customizable snacks that feel like a treat without being unhealthy. 6. Edamame protein-packed pods. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a Japanese favorite that's now trending globally. They're rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Steamed edamame sprinkled with sea salt or chili flakes makes a simple yet satisfying snack. It's especially loved among fitness and wellness communities for its high protein content. In 2025, frozen edamame snack packs are going viral as a convenient option for quick, nutrient-rich snacking. 7. Popcorn. Air pop and clean popcorn isn't just for movie nights anymore. It's a trending healthy snack in 2025. When air-popped and lightly seasoned, it's low in calories but high in fiber. People are moving away from buttery, artificial versions and choosing gourmet flavors like sea salt, rosemary, turmeric, or even nutritional yeast for a cheesy taste without the cheese. It's crunchy, satisfying, and guilt-free when prepared the right way. 8. Dark chocolate and almonds healthy indulgence. Dark chocolate paired with almonds is one of the most loved healthy snacks of 2025. Dark chocolate 70% or higher provides antioxidants and mood-boosting compounds, while almonds add healthy fats and protein. This combination satisfies sweet cravings without spiking blood sugar levels. People love dark chocolate almond clusters and snack-sized packs available in stores. It's a perfect balance of indulgence and nutrition, making it one of the most Googled snacks this year. 9. Avocado toast bites. Trendy and nutritious avocado toast has been trending for years, but in 2025 it's evolving into snack-sized bites. Whole grain crackers or mini rice cakes topped with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or even feta cheese make a delicious, nutrient-rich snack. Avocados are full of healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. These snacks keep you full, support heart health, and look great on social media feeds too. They're quick to prepare and endlessly customizable. 10. Smoothie packs, quick and refreshing. Last but not least, smoothies are still trending in 2025, but with a twist. People are now prepping smoothie packs, pre-portioned bags of fruits, greens, seeds, and protein powder that can be blended in seconds. Smoothies are versatile, refreshing, and nutrient-packed. They're especially loved for post-workout recovery or as an afternoon energy booster. Popular 2025 flavors include green detox smoothies, berry antioxidant blends, and chocolate protein smoothies. And there you have it, the 10 most Googled healthy snacks in 2025. From protein bars and hummus to popcorn, avocado bites, and smoothie packs, these snacks prove you can enjoy delicious food while staying healthy. Which of these snacks is your go-to favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health and nutrition tips, and share this with someone who's always looking for snack ideas.